This is about that thing there in the demister. I had a question. Why did that always return to home position when you turn the wipers off? The background on this is I have traced the wiring to the wiper. I've bought a connector for the top, and I will wire the rest of the car for it because there's no wiring for it yet. Now, the odd thing is buying a switch and a connector is cheaper than buying the actual cable I'll need for it, because it's got to be high current rated, but I didn't know how much current it needed. So the way that I'm going to do that out is I've got a voltage supply that also tells me the current, and of course I've done all the reading on it. But I had a question: what causes the wiper to go home when you turn the wiping off? It's a really simple question, because normally if you turn the wiping off, let's turn the wiper on, it'll just stop anywhere. What the wiper motor has in here is a third connection that has a hot wire, so another 12 volt wire, so that when this is away from the home position, a relay is contacted and that will supply the motor to turn. So this other cable, 12 volts, and it goes home until it goes home and stops. And if you connect this one up here, it'll stop. Then you put this one on, 12 volts, and then it goes home and stays home. I've got a bit of work to do yet on the wiring because I've got to create a loom and everything, so there's no point covering that now, but thought you'd like to see that little curious bit. Bye.